Like other cities and districts of the country, farmers in Tursunzoda cultivate their gardens and vineyards using traditional methods, storing water in the winter for the summer period and maintaining soil moisture. In the spring and summer, the managers of this farm in Tursunzoda city are only able to water their gardens and vineyards 1 or 2 times a year due to a lack of water. Snow retention in the field is one of the most important agro-technical measures that allows you to save precious moisture.
ماه فوریه باران بارید، برف بارید، این همش
Both rain and snow are very important for land and for landowners. And of course, the harvest also depends on it.
همون یخاب دادم همون مقصد نمناکی زمین وای کردن بود.
The amount of snow that falls in the winter varies from year to year. Depending on weather conditions, some cities and districts of the country suffer from lack of moisture. Snow retention or accumulation helps to save plants from water shortage. The head of Tursunzoda City Agriculture Department noted that the benefits of snow for the country's agricultural sector are great. That is, snow water has 4 times more effect than conventional irrigation. It is especially beneficial for crops, cereals, and cotton as it retains a large amount of moisture in the soil.